She's sleeping right there.
Oh.
Baby. Madonna. Baby.
No.
She's telling everybody thank you for loving her. Now, I don't think you're hungry anymore. You really ate a lot.
Well, she's mad that Hercules is in her cage.
Oh, she knows that?
Mm-hmm.
Instinct?
I don't know.
She too little or too sick. Thank you for loving me.
Her purr is a little rough. It's just.
Well, some of it'll come out, but
She wants
to
you
mess
pet
with her
her.
fur while she's just bone thin, I think would be just uncomfortable for her. She's sore.
She wants to be petted though.
She don't have any broken bones, so she's bound to be
It's okay,
sore because she
Katie.
don't walk very good.
Katie, it's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on inside. I've got you. Go on in, Katie.
I picked her up and put her in that chair over there.
Hey, Madonna. Madonna. Oh, she knows her.